Hello, in this video we're going to show you something that's a little new and different with regard to our ebook and e-audio collection in Overdrive, and that is our new Lucky Day collection. So to get started, I'm going to scroll down to our quick links and go to ebooks and e-audio. And here, to see the new Lucky Day collection, you would have to log in. I'm already logged in, so I'm going to see our Lucky Day collection right away. And to get there, I'll click on Available Now, It's Your Lucky Day. So our Lucky Day collection is something that's very much like our speed read collection in the physical library. If you don't know what that is, basically new and popular titles are made speed reads, and what happens with those is that rather than going out to fulfill holds immediately, when they're checked into the library, they go back on the shelf so that people coming into the library have a chance to browse for those and actually find new and popular titles. So that's what we've got going on here. We have copies that are designated Lucky Day, and those again are speed reads. So you can come back to this area and see what's on our Lucky Day collection, as this will be updating as books kind of check back in. They'll come back here to this list, and hopefully that will give you a chance to get your hands on new and popular titles without having such a long wait. So this is just something new to know about. And as always, if you have any questions or comments, please send them to belmontpubliclibrary@gmail.com. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoy Lucky Day.